Hello. Okay, so today is uh Thursday, and I came back to town on Tuesday morning. And Tuesday I focused on solving questions. I mean, basic, like not too tough of questions, but solving them with different approaches. Um, and Wednesday, what I did was I just participated in the coaches contest, and nothing for development as a sort this week so far. And today I haven't worked on anything as I'm not feeling well. I got a runny nose, and I just took my meds just now. So yeah, let's hope for a speedy recovery and I can focus on so I can get back on the track. I am really neglecting my development, my JavaScript learning, and I need to get back to the habit of journaling. I stopped it for maybe like 20 days now. I need to get back to it, and yeah, what else I want to tell? What is that thing? And yeah, well, I can't seem to remember it. So yeah, then I'll see you guys in tomorrow's clip. If I'm not sick, that is. Well, I guess I can just record without doing any work still. But yeah, let's hope I get better soon. See you very soon. Hey guys, today. Oh my god, such a normal YouTube introduction that is. Yeah, so yeah, today is Saturday, it's 31st. I'm Well, I am sick. I wouldn't say my mind is fully able to focus. I got some pains or like a constant pain. It's not migraine, maybe it's sinus. I just have never diagnosed it. Uh, okay, so putting that aside, yesterday, Friday, what I did was I did a little bit of JavaScript and also was working a lot on something. I was focusing on shifting to Obsidian from Notion basically, and yeah, that's what I was working on. Since Obsidian is literally like I've imported mostly all of my nodes from Notion to Obsidian, so I have like complete uh, this thing over my notes. And yeah, and also today, yeah, coming to today, what I did was I focused on refining my backtracking skills and my like problem solving skills. And trust me, it is for a person that is new to backtracking, it's gonna be a nightmare. But for a person that hated backtracking for a while and now the starts to get it, it's kind of easy backtracking. Like looking at it, like now I'm looking at it, it's actually simple but not simple, if you know what I mean. Like once you get it, you get it. So once you get it, there's no going back. So that's what I wanted to say. And where was I here? I just solved a question of the most repeated number n, which is greater than n by 2 size. So it's on lead code and other platforms as well. So one thing I tried in this question was I tried to solve it using like a frequency array, and that frequency array gave me an error. And what that error was, after debugging it, it was crazy. So I just wanted to create a page where from solved questions. So I'm gonna write that question down right over here on this page. Then I'm gonna give like I'm gonna write down like where I made the mistake, um, and what I need to keep in mind. Like if that question comes ever again or a similar question comes, I should be able to navigate it. Is what my thought process is right now. And yeah, for my academics, there is another thing called RTRP real time project. So in my real time project, RTRP, yeah. So what do I reveal to you guys? I guess I'll just mm, maybe just the GitHub repository, right? Why not? Yeah, so I'll just close these as well. Yeah, so this is the GitHub repository for the project that I'm gonna be working on this semester. I'm in second year, second semester right now, and this project is gonna be about saving crops. So I've got a team of 4 people that are gonna be helping in creating this. So you can see my batch is E3, so I just wrote it here, and this is what this public. You guys can just go down in the link, go down in the description, click the link, and have access to all of this. So yeah, this is a public project, you could say, and I'll keep updating about what the progress is as the project keeps on going. Currently, it's just in the very like early stage. But I'm still trying to understand what the mechanism is. Like I only don't understand the project completely yet, because this is my first full stack project, which includes ML, which includes neural networks, which comes inside AI and ML, which includes using Postman, using a server cloud, backend server separately for this. So it must be on while we're running the application. So that is gonna be interesting, and also gonna be using Java for the front end and Python for the back end and ML stuff. Yeah, so me and my team, we have no idea how we'll do this. Me at least, like I use GitHub. I went to a lot of hackathons. Uh, I don't wanna like say as I'm better than them, because I'm not. They could work hard and probably beat me, but them to learn, like first step is gonna be always the toughest, so I need to help them, guide them properly. So yeah, let's see where this project goes, and let's see if we can yeah, also we can complete this project using AI. Like I can make AI write the code, but what I am trying to do is I want a hybrid approach, because if I'm going for a, let's say I'm going for an internship, I'm not gonna be allowed to use AI to write code. So what am I gonna do then? I'm not gonna just sit and do nothing, right? So for that I need to start learning now. And clearly this is a great opportunity. So what I can do is I can learn. I'll ask AI what I should learn, and then I can ask it to give me hints on what to write. What I already have, the folder structure and the system architecture. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's see where that goes. And also this week, what I've done is because I was sick, I couldn't even attend college because I had no energy. I don't think I can even walk up the stairs at my college at this level of uh, sickness. But I think I'm better right now. Uh, so yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, I did not go to college. Yeah, this week what I worked on is I've changed because I've come to Obsidian now. So this Obsidian thing, why I've changed from come from Notion to GitHub. I mean from Notion to Obsidian, and also I need to start like journaling properly. I was journaling before January to 17th of January pretty well, like December 27th to Jan 17th something. But the problem was I fell off after that. I was not consistent. And the journaling is basically a life tracker system, which is inspired, or you could say followed. I'm following a YouTuber who's doing this. I'll keep his video link in the description. So what he does is he has his journal, and yeah, why do I spoil it? Just go watch what he's doing. The link is there below. And also another thing which he does is he has a journal for his life tracking, and another small book for writing his tasks. So I'm not gonna show you the task what I did today, but yeah, this is basically what he does for productivity. Every single day we write down tasks on a small book, like a flip book. So this is very new, of course. This I still need to get used to it. Along with I've gone minimalistic, and I've actually done a lot of things to my phone. I've removed like most of the apps, you could say. Like, this is basically a dumb phone at this point. This is literally my phone right now. No other apps. I mean, this is of course the other interface, but hope it's showing in the screen right now. Yeah, this is my. There's no apps here. I mean, apps are of course here, but you get the point. It's phone which is gonna help me, maybe. I don't know. It's supposed to help me reduce my screen time for the scrolling problem. So yeah, that this is also something which that YouTuber does. Recently seen a lot of his videos. Really amazing guy. Gives like whatever he does, he just tells it openly, and that is just like that is so connecting with me as a viewer. Like he does coding and all. I also do that, and he is doing this journaling, which I am also into by due to a friend I met in Inter. So yeah, that I think that this should cover what I did this week. And tomorrow's thing I'll record and I'll upload the video soon. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow then. Hello, welcome to the Sunday vlog. And today I've mostly only solved problems. And actually, in the thing I'm in smart interviews program, whatever we have the placements in our college, I'm supposed to be completing like I'm supposed to have a score of 4,000, which I was having only 2,900 yesterday. So I'll have to do like 11, 12 problems, which are of a score of 100. So I was just focused on all of that today. And I still need to do some more. I need to do like four more for me to cross. Okay, actually three more to cross 4,000 score. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. And I also today, yeah, on our real time project, I've created a bunch of documents. Basically we're a team of four. So what I did is I've created like four domains of what we each need to work together on. And I've created milestones for each of these domains so that each of us, even though we're working at the same time, like individually we're working at the same time, so we don't know like where each of us are going. So these milestones are gonna help them to like it's gonna help them and make sure that they are on the right track and they're not somewhere in the Amazon forest while we were looking for the Sahara Desert. So yeah, that was the main intention of it, and also the system architecture and all that, it was done yesterday. So yeah, that's about today. And this week overall review, I would say, think I can do better. That's like the conclusion of every week. I think I can do better. So yeah, I've optimized my phone and let's hope it stays this way for a long time. No apps, having a just dummy phone. Um, and using Obsidian instead of Notion, and using a notepad to track my thing, track the tasks that I'm gonna do on a daily basis. Let's hope I'm gonna try my best to stick to them and see what kind of person I become, like over a week or over a month. I'll let you guys know the updates of it. And if I just start doing more work because of it, you guys will know. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week then.